Want to stay in this hotel for the night, Lace?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to Sequoia Lodge.
Is that what it's called?
That's what it's called, yeah. Want to stay here for one night?
Oh my god, my face.
So hot. Hunter's Grill.
I'm too funny.
Reception. Upstairs. Little prairie. Yeah. Toilets to the right. Reception straight ahead. One night stay. We've got the Forest Club. Club? Is it called Garden Club? What's it called?
The Golden Forest.
Oh. Why are you in the forest?
Step forward one.
And stood in the middle of a lake? Can you get out? Will you get wet?
It's not the
No, it's windy. Now there's a seagull. Oh, right. You'd be a good tree. Here comes the seagull. We can have a look when we get to the room. So we are standing in the south wing.
You made me the ice baby.
Glazed ice.
Do we think it's gonna work?
The lift's just there, and we're here.
How to get in from?
5224.
Yeah. You got a coffee maker?
Welcome to our room.
I got a bed. Yeah. Oh, the chocolate coins.
Nice. Aircon as well.
They're in my bag.
You want to get them and replace them with the so we got all
Oh,
the
the whole
characters?
set.
Minnie, Goofy.
No,
We don't have
we've
a
got all them.
We don't have Daisy. I don't think that was a
Maybe they weren't a Daisy. Daisy wasn't
Daisy's not a fab.
5.
Is she?
Why?
Don't know.
No, we have actually got 5 then.
Always blows my mind. We don't have Pluto.
We've actually got an ice bucket in this hotel. Woohoo!
Guys, you might want to see something as wireless charger.
A wireless charger.
You might
This
want
is a forest club room. Let's have a room tour.
BAM! Game Zombie Land!
Hiya guys, welcome in.
Over here now.
This is my crib.
Our crib. Actually.
Our crib.
Over here. Don't look in
We're
there.
starting with you, are we?
Right. So over there. Right. So guys, this is our room, and this is our beds. So we've got these chocolate coins, these nice pillows, these lights that have reindeer on,
They are very cute, aren't they?
and we've got that picture. This.
Do you know who's
Bambi.
in the picture? I don't know if you've ever seen Bambi.
So these are our
Bambi.
beds.
I think they're king size beds.
Perfect for a kid to fit under there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Have you tried?
Yeah. Do you want to see? Just stay. Put your vlog there.
Okay.
Is that the suitcase?
Is there anything under the bed?
No.
What's under there?
A Lacey. What's under the bed?
2 poles.
But are they in the way?
No.
I don't think. We'll have to test the suitcases, but I don't think
Probably not fit.
they would not fit.
Just
Oh.
kid size.
Chicken banana.
What you said? There was deers on the lampshade.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, they're cute.
Turn
Actually.
around.
And did you spot anything, Mum, on there?
Yeah, if you look at the bedspreads really closely or in a certain light, you've actually got Mickey heads on them.
Oh yeah.
I see that.
And we got gold coins.
Right, guys, come here. So probably Dad's favourite part, and Mum's tea
And
coffee.
it's a coffee maker.
Coffee
Auntie.
machine. Say what?
What?
What are the drawers?
Oh my God! I did not realise this, but we should send this to Nan and say we've got this.
We've got a kettle.
Yeah.
What are the drawers like?
The drawers have got these little hearts on.
Is it open? Is it open? Or one big drawer?
A croissant.
That wasn't already in there.
No.
That wasn't there,
That's
guys.
Lace's.
It wasn't there.
That's Lace's La Croissant.
Yeah, it is mine.
But they're big drawers.
My
But
name's
they look
Cheryl,
like
actually.
6 small drawers.
My name's Cheryl, actually. And then we got this.
Are they actually playing cards?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wanna have a look?
Yeah. Or they're not trumps, is it? Is it playing cards?
Yes. If they come out. Yes,
Anytime.
please.
And we have a little bit.
Santa Fe.
Sequoia Lodge.
Sequoia Lodge. Guys.
Golden Forest Club.
Yeah. And then, okay, you can have a look at that. There you go. And then
We've got the Golden Forest Club, which is just all info.
Right, isn't there?
need
Let's have
to
a quick
know.
look.
So we've got a postcard,
Oh, cool.
a survey,
Right. There's baby care items.
and then,
Nice.
anything we need. In here, and it's baby boo.
And then we've got this sign, guys.
Little lamp.
And then here, what's this?
We've actually got an ice bucket.
Yeah, so we can go and get some ice.
Yeah.
My legs, hang on. Right, then
Any plugs over there?
Oh, wait. And then we've got this drawer.
Bedside.
These
Internal
lights.
phone. Light switches.
That just turned that light off.
Yeah.
And these off.
Yeah.
In here.
The housekeeping team left us a message.
You're gonna like this. So we got an ironing board, some coat hangers, dad's bag, a safe. Then over here we'll
Storage.
build the girls' thing. Nothing of dad's. So here we've got a nice sink to
Yeah.
do
Big
wash off
mirror. It's well
makeup.
lit. Yeah.
Some 2 towels that are dry out. That's really loud. Then in here we've got
So as part of
our
the
makeup fridge.
as part of the forest, what's it called?
Forest Club.
Forest Club.
You got me saying garden.
Part of the Forest Club.
Sometimes we put
get
makeup
a
in there or
fridge.
drinks. Makeup or drinks.
Yeah.
And then here, this one,
More storage.
storage. Oh, that was loud. And then here we'll
Storage.
put our makeup in that.
Yeah.
Because obviously it's not all going to fit on this table.
No.
And then in here,
And here.
we've got this shower. This shower.
Shower and
Excuse
there's
me.
someone's having a bath.
Please get out.
Alright, let's just let them shower there. And come here.
Yeah.
We've got this little bench.
Bench.
Oh!
Shoes and socks on.
Also,
Shoes and socks.
then over here, the soaps, conditioners, these, what are these? They look like bubbles, first of all. What are they?
Shampoo, conditioner.
Shampoo and conditioner.
Shower gel.
Well, then we've got this to help us get out of the bath and in.
Nice shower.
And this is where we can just get dry and put our pajamas on.
Yeah.
Then up here we've got these towels and that.
Yeah.
Can you step in?
Yeah. And then you got a pull cord as well, so you can pull this across
And then
to here, and you can hang your wet clothes because they got a swimming pool at this hotel.
guys,
Yeah.
then here we've got
Just retracts.
I've got something to show you guys.
And then we're back into the main room.
We've got a random
Adjoining door if you need it.
Right, so this is an extra bedroom. Then around here we've got 2 girls.
So this is our lovely mirror.
Mhm.
Look at the little eye, it's got Mickey's on.
Beautiful.
Wee mirror.
All from the housekeeping.
Linda, I think it's her name. So in here,
Mhm. Ta-da!
it's amazing.
Not a bad view. Got some forestry going on.
Window.
Got some natural light in the room. This is nice, Mum.
Oh! We got 2 chocolate coins. And then these are us. So Lacey.
And this is butt.
You got all these drawers. I think these are connected. This is just.
Nice.
Yeah, Lacey saw the drawers.
Do you want to put these in there?
Bed test. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that's nice.
That's your door. Back to the hallway.
It's got some nice air in it. We can open it a bit.
Later.
Answer it.
I've got the key.
No, stop tapping like that. You want to get ice.
Ice machine quest. It works.
It's a sidekick. It's a sidekick. Rock that now.
Where are we going, Lace?
Follow me
Where are we going?
to the ice.
To find the
And
ice.
guys, guess what? This hotel actually had an ice bucket. I know it looks like a bin hotel.
A nice little
Maybe
lounge.
I'm actually coffee.
You might be able to like sit there and watch the sunset.
Oh, it's there.
Oh, that's nice and close. So it's just, the lift is there and it's literally, oh wait, this gimbal. Oh look, it's water. Yes, you can get cold water. Wow. Careful you don't cut your lip on that.
You ready? Let's go.
Ice.
Right, ice. Wow, that came out fast. Why is it faster than the other one?
It's a better machine, isn't it?
Why? Warm. That's cold.
You can get fresh cold water.
Look how much ice it's got. It's like the perfect size and it gets loads of ice.
It does.
And we've got a lid for this to keep it cold and a little thing to pick it out.
Yeah.
Jingle bell time. I'm going to drop this on so we can do that.
That'll be enough. It's super close, we can just come get some more.
Yeah, at least we don't have to walk like a mile away.
And we can come and get some fresh cold water. We should go get the bottle.
We should. Look, no, that's a lot.
Okay.
When I stepped on it, sounds like a broken plastic.
We can make nice coffee. We can go I could make an iced coffee.
Oh my gosh. I wish they had hot chocolate. I want to make an iced hot chocolate.
What, a milkshake?
Yeah, I wonder how that would taste.
Probably like milkshake. Come on.
Anyway.
Yeah. I don't know what she said.
I literally, no, don't lie. I said.
Oh, however, it was like 2 steps, so I don't think it's going to be finished.
Mum.
There's a back.
Summertime.
What do you do while Dad's 360 in the room?
Can we just do this? Dance. What? No.
The next day.
This is our beautiful view this morning. Nice and sunny day again. And I'm just about to ring reception to find out what we do with our bags. Bonjour. I was just wondering, we're part of the Golden Forest room. What is there a way we can someone collect our bags, or do we leave them in the room?
Yes, today is the last day.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, your room number?
Is 5224.
5224.
Yeah.
And your surname? Okay, how many pieces do you have?
There'll be 4 bags.
4 in total?
4 in total, yes.
Okay, it's okay. You can come back directly here to collect your bags.
And we just leave them in the room.
Yes, you can. Now you can go to the park where you want.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay.
And yeah, we'll be leaving in about half an hour. Is that okay?
Okay, it's not a problem.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Bye bye.
Bye now.
Bye.
That was easy, guys. Easy like a Sunday morning on a Friday. As part of the Garden Forest Club.
It's not garden.
Oh! Got the iron out. Which you get for the Golden Forest Club. And there's one more suitcase. Yeah, won't be a second. Sorry. Mercy. Goodbye, 5224.
Why? Because it belongs to the hotel.
Goodbye, room. See you later.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.